Isn't it cute? I bought this thing because the price was right. It's a time-only Banjo clock. And I don't know why this door's here, other than unless you want to hide money or something in it. I bought it because the price was right. I paid a total of $35.25 for it. And when you get bit by the antique bug, sometimes you got to satisfy your need to have your next piece of antique or clock. But it's a wind-up clock, it's a Banjo clock, and I don't know who made it. There's no name on the dial, but I'm going to tear into it and go from there. I hope you all are liking this video. Please hit the subscribe button. God bless.